Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. We have 2000 Lexus ES 300. Alternator is new. You see here, this alternator is brand new. And what the problem is, when you start the car, you drive a little bit, they put a new alternator from Orozone. When you start the car, it charged 14 points. Can you put the measurement of the voltage charge? First, we need to know when it started, how much it charged. The battery is brand new, alternator is brand new. Okay, now you see it's dead. So we're gonna charge it first, and then we see what happened. You connect the power there.
Ready?
See, it's 9 volt before.
Yeah.
So we're gonna boost it a little bit, and then we're gonna. Why not put the battery charger? I mean the tester for charging. That one is on charging system. This is for charging, right? We can.
High voltage.
Okay, we just want to know how much it's gonna charge after in a few.
Right now we got right now.
Now they have 14.
It's charging right now at 14 points.
Yeah, because we boost it started, and then we see what happened.
We start it and remove that.
Yeah, let's start it and remove it and see what. So the car is starting now. Remove this one.
Remove this. And check the system.
Now we're gonna see the charging system. How much it charges. So we put negative points here. We have 12. And it's coming down. That's the battery that we just damaged. The alternator is not charging. So now, I just want to show you something here. We come here, look in this place. I'm going to turn the light off. Look here. You see? It was not. You see it? It was not tight. So I'm going to pull it and see it go up. You see? And put it up. Yeah, it's going up. You see? Yeah, it's not tight probably. We have a voltage drop here. That was causing the car. You see, even the light become, even the bulb is, you see? Wow. And that can burn the alternator easy. So this is the problem. When you put alternator, please try to clean it. Now we're gonna clean it and tight it good. And then we see what happens. Maybe this cable supposed to be facing this side or this side, but the connector here, this one must be very well tied. We're gonna tie it and see what is the result. Thank you for watching. Okay. This is the main problem in this car. So please, when you change alternator or when you have a voltage alternator is not charging well, fix those things. And also, you see those terminals. I don't like you to put this terminal. Those terminals, you can change it with the original one, positive, negative. They have one that's very good and can stay for a long time. I'm going to change those battery terminal with one that's supposed to be good also. So we will be okay. We come back if there is any problem. Thank you for watching.